Selenium is a set of tools and libraries that are used to automate web applications across different platforms using different programming languages. In simple words, this tool provides functionalities that can interact with the browser and automate browser actions like click, select, input, navigate, etc. with the help of scripts. Testing done with the help of this tool is referred to as automated testing. It is free and open source. It is the most widely used open source solution for Selenium automation testing of web applications. Selenium is usually not just a single tool, but a suite of tools. It has 4 components: Selenium IDE, Integrated Development Environment; Selenium RC, Remote Control; Selenium WebDriver; Selenium Grid. History of Selenium. This tool was developed by Jason Huggins in 2004 while he worked for ThoughtWorks in Chicago. Initially named JavaScript Test Runner, it was later renamed Selenium Core and released to the market as an open source tool. Day by day, this open source tool started gaining demand in the market, and people began using it to automate repeated tasks in their web applications. The same origin policy. Issue. Previously, third-party JavaScript programs were able to access or do necessary modifications to the web application. When the web applications become more advanced and their complexity got increased, the same has increased concern for their security measures. The web applications had stared, restricting the external JavaScript program from accessing the internal functionalities of their applications by considering them as a security violation, which is called as same origin policy. As days passed, people started using Core for automating their web applications for repeated tasks. Later on, different web applications began following the same origin policy as a security measure, which became an issue for Core and restricted it from accessing the web applications. In simple terms, the JavaScript program of an X domain cannot able to access the pages hosted at a different domain, say Y domain. To overcome this, testers started installing both Core and the web application code under test in the same domain, and then automated the required tests.